And now NBC5 responds. Illinois drivers may notice their wallets are a little bit lighter this year.
New reports show Illinois drivers had to pay 35% more for full coverage auto insurance in 2023. NBC5 Responds investigator PJ Randhawa shows us which companies have increased their rates the most and what we can all do to lower the bill.
That's right. Well, State Farm and Allstate, which are both based in Illinois, had the highest rate increases. Since 2022, they've increased their rates by a combined total of nearly $1.2 billion. NBC5 Responds found in Illinois there is no way to challenge or reject those rate hikes. According to Insurify, close to 62% of Americans reported their car insurance rates increased in 2023. And it's predicted car insurance costs will increase by another 7% in 2024. Bob Passmore with the American Property Casualty Insurance Association explains what's behind the increase.
You've seen increases in repair costs, parts, labor, medical costs, all those things have been going up. And the cost of auto insurance premiums tend to trail the rest of the inflationary trends.
But other states see less frequent and less severe rate hikes, according to Abe Scar with the nonprofit Illinois PIRG. Right now, Illinois and Wyoming are the only two states in the country where lawmakers don't have the power to reject or modify rate hikes. Legislation filed in the State House last year aims to change that.
When rates should go down, the insurers are slow to do it. When rates, they have a reason to raise rates, they do it very quickly and very aggressively. And this is where, again, regulation can play a role to make sure that we're getting a fair shake.
Passmore says that legislation is unnecessary because Illinois auto insurance rates are similar to the national average, and it could make the Illinois insurance market less competitive. In a statement, both Allstate and State Farm say the higher rates are attributed to higher repair costs, and that's what's driving these rate increases.
PJ, if we can't really stop the rates from going up, that's out of our control. Is there anything we can do to bring these premiums down for us?
Yes, for sure. So the first thing you want to do is shop around every few years to get some new quotes to see where you're at. You also want to consider bundling your auto insurance policies or your home insurance. That can also drive down the costs a little bit. And finally, consider increasing your deductible. Our experts say it's more likely you're going to have smaller claims rather than bigger claims. So those are just a few tips, a few things to consider if you want to drive those prices down.
Which we do.
Yes.
Good advice.
Who doesn't?
Thank you, PJ.
Thank you.
All right.